Hi guys, welcome back to Leisure Pursuits with Dilsha and Fatima. Today we'll be unboxing and checking out the Roborock S5 Max. It is a robot vacuum cleaner which also has an automated mopping function. So let's check out what's inside. So we are really excited to see how this is going to work out. So the main box contains a robot, a charging dock, moisture-proof mat, power cable, a mop cloth mount, and the mop cloth. So let's set up. So we'll connect the charging dock with the power cable. So if you have wooden floors, you can use the moisture-proof mat. The main robot has an on-off switch and a dock spot clean. And then when you open the cover latch, you can see the dustbin. They have also provided a cleaning brush. So this is the mop cloth mount with the mop cloth. You can remove it and wash it from time to time. So this is the water tank. It has a water filter as well. So when you want to mop, you can just attach it. It has two attachment brackets on the side. It's very easy to detach as well. So we kept the robot for charging. And then we downloaded the app from the App Store. The initial setup is very simple.
Starting to clean.
In the first run, the initial mapping is complete. After that, we can divide or merge rooms. Now let's try mopping. So take out the water tank and fill water. After that, fit the mop accessories and then we are good to go. The app provides us with a lot of options like selective room cleaning and zone cleaning. The app can also be used to draw virtual no-go zones and walls. These virtual zones will help you to keep the robot from entering the areas you define.
Charging.
So we did a small test to check out its efficiency. So the vacuum test came out really well. Now let's try the mop test. So for the mop test, we put in some coffee stains overnight. I can say for the mopping test, it did a pretty good job for a robot. So another really cool option it has is that you can also schedule the cleaning. So that means you have more time to do the things you love.